I'm Wyn Roberts. I'm studying the Professional Certificate in Education at the Rows-on-Sea Llandrillo campus. I applied for the Certificate in Education for professional development mainly. I don't need it as part of my job at the moment, but obviously for thinking ahead of the future and to help me with a bit of confidence and guidance as far as what I'm currently doing, I felt that it was something I'd like to do to improve my own standards really.
So my name is Jordan Edwards. I'm currently studying the PGCE here at Rows site in Llandrillo. I decided to apply for the teacher training to further progress my career as a teacher, to initially get the foot in the door into the teaching world.
I'm Dewi Roberts and I teach at the Llandrillo campus in Rows-on-Sea. I decided to do the teacher training course as a change of career. I'd finished in my previous occupation and I wanted to do something completely different, so I decided to enrol on the course in Llandrillo.
I've enjoyed sharing ideas with peers quite well, learning about how they tackle certain issues that we all have, getting some different ideas that way. Changed the expectations of myself vastly really. I've not had an academic background, went into it with fairly low expectations of myself as far as my own standards were concerned, and I've actually really gained a lot of confidence over what I can achieve and what I can do. It's been great.
I've enjoyed a variety of tasks that Leslie and her teaching team provide us with. They make the lessons really fun and enjoyable, and also I can use them in my lessons, so they're really inspirational to help me progress in my teaching. It's made me more mature on an academic basis. It's also made me more socially aware, so that I can also relate to the needs of my students as and when they face difficult challenges as well.
I just enjoyed the variety of the content, getting to know other people, and obviously getting the qualification at the end in order to be able to apply for teaching jobs. It's changed my expectations as regards getting the degree, learning all the teaching different styles and the theory behind teaching, and then applying it in the classroom and seeing my students develop.
I'm working in construction at the moment, the wonderful vast world of construction with all its health and safety requirements.
I currently work in computing and media, and I teach on the foundation degree games development and also the foundation degree broadcast media.
At the moment I'm teaching mainly on the police and foundation degree at Llandrillo, but I also teach on the level 3 BTEC modules as well.
It's helped me with the planning of myself, my own timescales. It's taught me to make sure that I'm not necessarily just having a plan B but having a plan C as well. Has been very important really, I think.
Well, the course has given me the essential qualification I need to teach, and then from that I'm progressing, and at the moment I'm on the second year of an MA course in education at Bangor University, so I'm continuing to develop my skills and abilities as a teacher.
The course has helped me by giving me new and innovative methods to bring into my teaching.
If someone was thinking of coming to teacher, I'd definitely advise them to do the course. The planning and preparation that you learn from it, and the different ideas that you get for delivering any kind of subject really is vastly important, and it's something that you can't. It would take you a lot longer to gain through experience only, I think.
If someone was thinking of teaching as a career and coming on the course, I'd come into the college to maybe an open evening or speak to the teaching staff and perhaps ask to sit in on a teaching session and see if it's for them. But I would recommend giving it a go.